Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to tag everyone in GroupMe. In today's quick tutorial, we'll show you how to mention everyone in a GroupMe chat. Unfortunately, GroupMe doesn't have a feature to tag all members at once, so you'll need to do it manually. First, open your group chat and type the @ symbol into the message box. This will bring up a list of all group members. If you have many contacts or don't see someone, simply start typing their name to find them. Select the person you want to mention, type your message, and hit send. They'll receive a notification that they were mentioned. To notify everyone, repeat this process for each member individually. While it may take a little time for large groups, this ensures every member sees your message, keeping everyone in the loop. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.